If Gamma is refusing to generate, stalling on the loading screen, or throwing an error, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. This is one of those issues that can happen for a few simple reasons, and in most cases you can solve it in just a couple of minutes without needing any technical experience. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and step-by-step guides. First, let's check the most common cause, which is your AI credits. If your workspace has run out of credits, Gamma may stop generating completely, or the request may appear to hang without finishing. To check this, look at the top right corner of your Gamma dashboard and click the credits icon. Once you open it, review how many credits you have remaining. If your balance is low or empty, that is very likely the reason your generation is not working. In that case, you may need to wait for credits to refresh, upgrade your plan, or reduce how often you generate content. Before you try anything else, this is always worth checking first, because it is the simplest fix and the most common one. Now let's move to the next step, which is simplifying your prompt. Sometimes Gamma cannot generate because the prompt is too complex, too long, or not clear enough. If your request includes too many instructions at once, too many topics, or not enough context, the AI may reject it or struggle to understand what you want. The best way to test this is to shorten your prompt and make it more specific. Instead of giving Gamma a huge block of text, try asking for one clear task at a time. For example, use a simple prompt like create a clean presentation about social media marketing for beginners and see if that works. If the simple version generates correctly, then the problem was likely the original prompt structure. From there, you can slowly add more detail back in until you find the right balance. This approach often fixes generation issues immediately because the AI can process a cleaner request much more reliably. If you are still unable to generate after checking credits and simplifying the prompt, the next thing to try is opening Gamma in an incognito or private browsing tab. Browser extensions, cached files, or stored session data can sometimes interfere with the app and prevent it from working properly. This is especially common if Gamma was working before and suddenly started failing without any obvious reason. To do this, open a new incognito window if you are using Chrome or a private window if you are using another browser. Then log into your Gamma dashboard again and try generating the same content there. Since incognito mode runs with a cleaner browser environment, it can help you determine whether the problem is caused by extensions, cookies, or cache. If Gamma works in incognito, then the issue is probably with your regular browser session. In that case, you may want to disable extensions one by one, clear your cache, or refresh your browser data. If it still does not work in incognito, then the issue is more likely related to the prompt, credits, or a temporary Gamma service problem. So to quickly recap, if Gamma is unable to generate, first check your credits in the top right corner, then simplify your prompt so it is shorter and more specific, and finally test it in an incognito or private tab to rule out browser issues. These 3 steps solve most generation problems very quickly. If you found this guide helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.